Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're creating the solar system from memory. Like all these numbers, we have to remember all those numbers on there and try to recreate it. Oh great, the asteroid belt's dead now. I think the asteroid belt just died on here. Oh, we won't do the asteroid belt anyway. So basically, I have to remember everything in the solar system here. Well, the sun, it will just put it like that automatically. That's just destroy all the planets a sec. And now, go into an empty solar system. So this will be exactly the same size as the sun. So now what I need to make is Mercury. So I think Mercury is about here. Yeah, I'm guessing. Okay, Mercury is kind of like grey. Like mostly grey, I think. I think it's mostly grey, but I don't know. It's like greyish. I'd say greyish would be about here. The size of it. Oh, what? 2,400 maybe? 2,400. Just gonna guess. And the mass, probably gonna be smaller than Earth. Than 1. I'm going to probably guess it's like 0.3 0.3 times that. Yeah, that does not look right. Now for its spin, I think it's quite slow because it's quite hot on one side of the surface. 0.04 maybe I'll give it its orbit. Its orbit is just gonna fly into the sun. Well, here's Mercury. My Mercury here. Well, the real one, I do not even know. Let's change its interface color to a lot like grey. It's like near dark grey, like this. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Now for Venus. For Venus, we're gonna have to make it like real orange. Like, maybe the surface like mostly orange. Don't want it like full orange, but yeah, kind of like that. I want its surface to be like that. Now for its mass, it's only just smaller than Earth, so this, I'm gonna guess that. Its mass is gonna be real similar to, I'm gonna guess 0.85? Guessing 0.85, and one of it, I think 0.001. Yeah, I think it's kind of like that, Venus. Okay. Oh! That was a mistake. I didn't give it an orbit. Luckily, it's still here. Let's just change it back to what I thought it was. Yeah, I just accidentally forgot to give it its orbit. That's why. And that... There we go. Bro, I'm lagging on here. Yeah, that is. I accidentally made it collide with the sun. And here's Venus done. Now our home planet, Earth, I think is just about here-ish. What I want is to have more water than vegetation. So like this, bro, that kind of looks like a desert world or something. Sorry, getting distracted. Like that, like this. Oh, that's mostly grass. That's mostly grass. That though. That's mostly grass. Basically swap this with green there with water there. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah. And then let's make its orbit like that. Yeah. I think I should use these freeze ones to make the polar ice caps. Yeah. Polar ice caps. Oh yeah, that works. Let's use... Yeah, we can do that, but rotational period. I know that. And it does have a moon. We can add it like that. Oh no! I did it again. I think I did that again. Where's Venus? Here. Just place it back. All I needed to do was just give it its orbit. That's all I needed to do. I accidentally did it again. There's the polar ice cap. I think it's a bit bigger than what I just did. This is like on the day and also night cycle. Let's give it light blue color. Let's zoom out. If the moon crashes into it, then it don't really matter. Looks like it is going to. Yeah. I know it just did it. We can do that. Then name this Earth. See, nice polar ice caps here. Yeah, I know a lot about that. The Earth. I think I should make Venus's interface color like orange or orangish. Yeah, that's good. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Earth's like blue. Okay, let's move on to Mars. With Mars though, here it is. Well, what we can do is just make Mars full red. It's red, but I think it's a bit pale-ish red. Like pale red-ish. No, that's pinkish. We want it more red. We don't want it like full red. Yeah, kind of like that. Same with it as polar ice caps. Let's give it its polar ice caps. And with its rotational period, Mars is only a little longer than ours. 0.88, I'm guessing. Its mass compared to Earth is going to be quite small. A little bit bigger than Mercury, so 0.7? I'm guessing 0.7. Yeah, it does have 2 tiny moons, but we can. Now, its size of it is bigger than Mercury, so I'd say 3,000. Like 3,000. Now remember to give it its orbit this time, because last time with Earth and Venus, they just flew into the sun. That was all they did. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna make its interface color like so it is spinning. It's just its day. It doesn't look like it's spinning. Even though it is, it looks like it's not actually spinning. It looks like it's tidally locked to the sun. Okay, it is rotating. There we go. Okay, that's all the inner planets done. Now, can't add an asteroid belt, but what I can do is add like the Ceres. I could add Ceres like back here. Ceres is a dwarf planet. It's like Mercury-ish. Mercury-like, so I think it's gonna be down here. It's kind of like Mercury, but yeah, kind of like that. It's very dim. It's definitely smaller than the moon, I already know. Actually, I think it is smaller than the moon. So I'm saying about 1,000. That's about the size of Earth's moon. It's about the size of Earth's moon, I'd say. Its mass smaller than the moon. I'd say moon's mass compared to Earth is like 0.0009. 0.004. Yeah. Rotational period can be, I don't really know, I'm guessing 0.2. 0.2. You can just see it's just further than a Mars. Let's name it Ceres because that's the planet. Is not a planet, but it is a dwarf planet. So now on to our first gas giant. I think would be around here. Let's go look. So we want it to look like a gas giant. What it kind of looks like is like kind of like yellowish. I'm gonna give it like full yellow and full orange band. Kind of like, nah, that don't look right. It don't look right. It don't really look right. Where's Ceres? Let's go to Ceres a sec. And then what I was thinking of doing is just putting Jupiter around here. I think I could add Jupiter around here. Yeah. Using its thing, let's do orangish. Yeah, it's like a yellow orangish color. Let's just do orange. And then just yellow. Yeah, like that. Yeah. It kind of looks like Jupiter. It's kind of like Jupiter. Its mass, I'm not actually sure. I think it's about, well, I'm not actually sure. I think it's like 400. 400 maybe? Yeah, its size, I think I might know. I've heard it's 69911. That's exactly how big Jupiter is. 0. It actually spins fast, Jupiter. Jupiter's days are not even literally so long. Not long. Well, there's Jupiter, nearly as big as the sun in this simulation. Like that. We go. Oh, I don't know why some asteroids were just there. Yeah, they all have a summer and they all have a winter. Now, what we need to do is make Saturn. We got a problem. We can't add the rings on Saturn. What we could do is use one of these and change. Nah. I wish we could change that. Oh, we can't. Let's do. I think Saturn's like a pale yellowish color around like this. Kind of like that-ish. Pale. Yeah. Oh, it's a rocky planet. It's a rocky. Accidentally made it as a rocky planet. Well, we can't add Saturn's rings, sadly. But what we can do is just edit Saturn's things. Mass is going to be quite big. I'd say just smaller than 3,900. Radius is very, very big. I think it's about... Wait, let's put in Jupiter's one a sec. I think it's about a couple thousand smaller, like down to 7. That's very similar in size. I don't want it similar in size. We'll just go for that. Its day cycle is actually quicker than Jupiter, so I think it's about 8. I think it's like 8. Saturn is. Sadly, I can't make the rings. Saturn. Let's make its line like pale yellow. That's a bit close to Jupiter. I think I made it a bit too close. Let's just move. Yeah, that works. Uranus is quite far from Saturn. I think it's about here. Let's move it to like a pale blue-ish. Like very light blue. It's mostly blue anyway. Okay, that just made it freeze over. I think it would be around here. Even though it's quite far. And we also got, okay. I think we have to put it deep, quite close to Saturn to get it not to freeze over. Like this? Yeah, like that. Kind of like that. Uranus. Yeah. Its mass compare. Well, 1.0 is exactly the same as Earth. So what I'm thinking of doing is making its mass about... I'm not actually sure, like... I think it might be around... quite small, so 3,020, yeah. Its radius will be... I know, I'm put Saturn at 67911. So about 3. Uranus is okay size. With its rotation, I think it's like 6. Oh, I think I accidentally made it bigger than Saturn. There's Saturn. Let's go onto this and then just zoom out. Okay, it is smaller than Saturn, but I think it will be a bit smaller. Like, if I think like this size, I think it is. Yeah, smaller than Saturn now. That's exactly what I want. And now, oh my goodness, the orbits are so wide out. Did it just throw it, make it go out? No. I'm gonna have to put the rest close together, like Neptune. Want it like bright blue as a gas giant, like this. Yeah, like that, like that. Neptune. I could be able to put that looks more purple. That looks more purple than blue. That it is more purple than blue. Yeah, like this. Its mass, 2,000. I'm gonna guess 2,000. Its radius. I know Uranus I put around 2-ish thousand. No. 5-ish thousand. So let's go like 5,000. And let's just go 5,000. I don't think there's that. Oh, okay, it froze over. It froze Neptune over. I have to put it like over here. Maybe like it has to be very, very close for it. For it has to be real, real close. Like Uranus is just there. Mass compared to Earth, 2,000. This mass, like that. I think it's like that. It's a gas giant. It's just a ball of ice again. And I think it's... Did I make Uranus a bit too small? It's 57991. Neptune. I think I made a bit... Nah, that's fine. I'm just gonna freeze Neptune a sec. Into like a real ball of ice. Not really working. I could just use Uranus like... I could just do it like this. Rotational period for 4 hours per day. I'm gonna guess Neptune's like 4 hours per day. Did I think I gave Uranus an orbit. It's just very slow. It was that orbit. When did I put an orbit there? Uranus? I think there's a problem. I'm gonna have to give Neptune an elliptical orbit. I also know that Pluto is kind of beyond Neptune, but also goes in front of Neptune. So there's just bro, that's like I could add like bright white, then the rest to just be brown, kind of like that. But it'll just turn like this. give it line that. It is smaller than the entire moon anyway. So I'm guessing like 500. This is like the smallest it can go in the game. So far away. Point. I think Pluto's orbit is really slow. I've heard about it. Oh my goodness, this is actually this orbit. And its mass should be quite small, like 0.000002. Okay, it just immediately went to a 1. Now Pluto, Mr. Pluto, here is Pluto, let's name it Pluto. I think something might mess up the system anyway. Oh, guess I gave Neptune a bit of heat. Oh no, Pluto is dead. I think it just ate Pluto. Oh, they're gonna collide. They're both dead. I guess I didn't make the solar system perfectly correct. But at least we got some bit of the solar system. I mean, that is okay. I like stargazing in like systems though. Like you can look at Jupiter, Mars. Oh my. Mars looks tiny from over here. Where's Saturn? Oh, Saturn's out dark. I guess this is broken anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great day, evening, or anything. Just hope you have one. See you later, guys. Peace out. We'll make a video later. Peace out, you guys. Peace out. Peace out, guys. Good day.